or you pull him when he goes too much straight, you pull him back. Because my leg is there. The first step for shoulder inside. You know shoulder inside? You know how to do? Okay. So here you do a stop. Stop. Oh. So you come here and you take the corner. So when you take the corner, the horse is a little bit around your inside leg. So you have a part of the horse who is okay. Now you go, you wait as you are one step out of the straight line. So exactly with three steps or 4 steps we don't talk. So you make one small circle, and then when the hooves are out of the straight line, you go out of the circle. So now with your body, you do a little bit this. Because he knows when you do this, he needs to go so. So. And then with that inside leg, a little bit two. When you always do a little bit so, not too much, automatically the horse go looking to your feet. Huh? So then the horse is in the movement. Then you have two things to look how the horse is good or not. So you open or close your hand, huh? Or with this leg, open, give him space, or you pull him when he goes too much straight, you pull him back inside. Huh? Also, both feet and hand. Huh? Okay, let's try. Not too much inside hand, huh? Inside hand, they do nothing. Yeah, okay. Too much inside hand. Go forward with your inside hand. Forward with your inside hand. Yeah. Anita, don't take your inside hand here. Go forward, huh? Forward. Inside hand forward. Do nothing. Yeah. Okay, it's good. No, you too much inside hand. Yeah. All the people do too much with that inside hand, and the horse is too much doblado. Inside hand, yeah. Outside hand, contact. Oh, yeah. Outside leg. Yeah. Okay. So you don't see very much, huh? With my hands, you don't see very much, huh? Because my leg is there. Huh? Hola. Bonjour. Enough, it's not trained. Left, right. That's the most important thing, huh? That the horse, you can play with a horse's neck like a harmonica. Huh? It's more difficult than to do a piaffe or shouldering. Huh? Okay. Okay. Now take your hands more, your reins a bit shorter. Huh? You do the same. That your hands are more before for the saddle. Huh?